Okay, so Instagram trends. The last one was contrast, clarity. This time it's this. Let's get into it. Okay, so murdered cars, not just like tints, chrome delete, wheels that are black on a black car. I mean like murdered, like these photos here. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this, but if you wait till the end, I'm actually gonna give you a preset so you can do it yourself. So yeah, let's nip onto the computer and I'll show you how to do this, because everyone wants that Instagram clout, because we know these bang. We do know this for a fact. So yeah, let's jump to the computer. Okay, so we're on the computer now. So you open your image. I've got this lovely Mercedes C-Class, I think it's a C-Class. Zuto, I don't know what your name is, but if I can find it, I'll tag you below, but thank you for this image. So yeah, you want to start with a black car really, because you want to add to the blackness. You want to get it dark. You want it really popping with darkness. Yeah, so first things first, you want to open sort of Camera Raw. No, actually, we'll just do a curves. We'll do a curves adjustment. So you just want to pop your shadows. There we go. We'll just drop your highlights a little bit. Perfect. And then you want to get a new layer. You want a paintbrush. Bring this all the way down to the corner so it's black. And then the windscreen is like the prime thing that always needs to go black. So you want to go just black it out. Don't matter about the lines of the interior or the windscreen. You can literally mask this however you want, or paint it, or yeah. So yeah, there you go. You've got your black windscreen. Key one, it's perfect. Side windows, you don't want any highlights. You want it just black. So color them in as you can. Again, doesn't matter. You're going out of the lines. Just keep that going. There we go. Maximum blackness. Yep. Okay, so that's your windows done and the top half done. But like just here, yeah, you see this white? Can't have that. So we're just gonna paint this in quite lightly. Just paint it in, just fill it in. There we go, lovely. Fill that in. Detail, doesn't matter about detail. You just paint it, just paint it in. There we go, that's looking a lot more black. And you see these edges here. Just zoom in, you see these edges here where it's like the color's obviously leaked over. Doesn't matter, don't even matter about that. You don't have to path it, you don't have to do anything. Just a paintbrush, as soft as possible, just paint it in. So the bonnet, another, around here, you just need to black it all out. All of this, just black it out. There we go. Perfect. Splitter, black. Lights, black. Black, everything black. Oh, look at that. I'm sorry, but this is, it's gonna kick off on Instagram. This is gonna go so good. The amount of fire emojis you're gonna get, unprecedented. The amount of fire emojis. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. I can literally see the likes now by looking at this. Look at that. That's better than Mona Lisa right there. Oh, Jesus, I just literally want to sit back and admire that. I love it, absolutely love it. So to recap, your black car starting, black car. And you want curves, bring your shadows down so it's a little bit more black, but you still got the detail there in the black background. Background. And then you want to get your paintbrush all the way to black, zero that off, paint to your heart's content until it's black. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to flatten that. Camera Raw again, just going to pop the shadows down like that. Bring the exposure down a little bit. Contrast, perfect. Clarity, come on boys. Perfect. Dehaze, yeah, go on then. Highlights, yeah, a little bit. Saturation, yeah, that's fine. I can still see a little bit of the detail. It's really nice. You can still tell it's a Mercedes. But yeah, you just know this is gonna bang. Texture, the new slider everyone loves, all the way to 100 boys. So yeah, I think that, come on boys, look at that Instagram clout right there. That is perfect, absolute perfect. So that is how you make one of those really cool black car photos on Instagram in like 3 steps. So yeah, Instagram trend 2, pretty good. But yeah, back to you, Alex, in the studio. Okay, there we have it. Mudded out car, 3 easy steps, well, 4 easy steps to Instagram stardom. Your feed is gonna look black, but it's gonna get you the likes that you want, that you're hunting for. So yeah, thank me later, and well, that's it. So Alex out. You know this is a joke, right? This is a big joke, because I had a few people message me off the old one, off the Clarity one, and they said, thanks, you really helped me. Oh, my edits are really good. They actually sent me an edit. That takes me back to like, what was it, 2005, when Britney Spears went a bit crazy? Like, no, don't do this. This is a joke. But yeah, I'll see you next Sunday. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you've even made it this far. If you have made it this far, type I love plus 100 Clarity in the comments to see who I've got lingering around. So yeah, I'll see you next Sunday. Alex out for sure. See you later.